Hello, and hope you're doing well. Today we're gonna look at this Artika Essence 3 Vanity LED lights, and this one is 1200 lumens. It has a temperature of 3000, which is a warm white, as you see here. It's wall mounted, and the LEDs are integrated. It is dimmable and easy to install. So let's take a look. Here are the instructions. What is included with your purchase, how to install it, how to put it together. Here is some hardware. Here are the shades. It is glass. Here's the second one. Third. Let's put this box to the side. Oh, you gotta pull them from the underneath. This is what gives it a very nice and neat look. The little bubbles. That looks pretty cool. So there's one. And finally, we have the light. Here it is. And there are the LED lights. They're integrated. And this is what goes onto the wall. There's a couple of screws here that you can take off. And this goes into your junction box. So you have your shade, you put it in here so it can sit there well, and then you grab your other piece. And it goes right there. It looks pretty nice. Thank you for watching and enjoy.